Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're all well. I'm out with rough paddling John, and he's gonna have a go at re-entering the Sea Eagle EZLite. So we're gonna watch. It does flip a lot more.
Is it?
Than some of the others. Yeah, that's doable. So he's going to get into the middle of the canal, slide out of the boat into the water, and then try and get back in. Oh, he's going to wade it out. Just let go and swim out with it. There we go. Right, you need your paddle on the other side out of the way. I just chucked it into the water on the other side. Are you going to use it? Right, keep kicking. He's never done this before in any boat, so this is always a bit of a first time, a bit daunting. Oh, right, get out where it's deep. You can see his feet, so he's not touching the bottom. Strong kicks, John, strong kicks, and then pull. That's it, you got the idea, you're almost there. Just take a little bit of practice. If you've never done this, I can totally recommend having a go in the boat that you've got. Reach for the far side as you lift up. And pull, you're almost there. It's not as easy as it looks. Or it's not as easy as I made it look in the video when I did it. Tiring as well, isn't it? Right, so while John has a little breather. Are you doing it again now, John? Right, he's getting himself ready. Nigel also wants to have a go at this, so off you go, gents. Oh, John's trying the whole cowboy one from the end. Oh, Nigel's properly gone in. He decided to do it with dry bags and everything. He's got a lot of air in that dry suit. With your right hand, John, put that in the middle. Hold the middle, because you've got that middle. One on the middle, one on the far side. You might find that a bit easier. Nigel's managed to get in. Nigel's back out. Keep kicking, John. Nigel's managed to get himself back in. Kick, strong kicks, you're almost there. Try and get your ass over the side. That's a technical term. Go on, you're almost there. Go on, John. Swing your bum round. You're almost at it. It is tiring. You did well there, Nigel. You did well there. Like I say, 'tis good to practice this. You're determined now, aren't you, John? Right, it's giving it another go. I'd chuck your paddle over the far side, John. Just get it out of the way. Chuck it in the water. Get it out of the way completely. That's what I did when I did it in this boat. Got the paddle completely out of the way. So I think he's going to try an ending launch from the front this time. I think that would work easier on this because it's heavier at the back. Yep. Grab the middle handle and pull yourself in if you can. It's almost there. He's on it. He's riding it. He's riding it. You can see it poking out there. Look, he's on it.
If he gets hard on now.
Yeah. Careful, lads. I am recording. Don't get a stiffy. It'll push you out. Well, you're definitely on. Are you stuck?
But
It's
pegs
stuck.
are it way, aren't they?
Yeah, it's stuck a little bit on the pegs. Going back out. Go on, John. You've got this. Just suddenly, just bloody burst your way in. That's it.
That's it.
That's it. Keep going. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you were almost there then.
Last little bit.
Yeah. You got it. You got it. You've done it. Keep going. Just kind of roll yourself in, sideways on. You can always. Doesn't matter. You can turn around once you're in. But yeah, you've got in after a fashion. That's it. Remember, that's it. Balance the boat. That's it. What he's doing now is he's just shuffling his leg across so he can move that more into the middle. There is a bit of a knack to finding your balance when you're doing this kind of thing. That's it. You've almost got your weight almost in the middle there. Excellent. And at least now he can get himself to safety. Done. Brilliant. Nice one, John. Good work. As I say, if you've never done this and you've got boats, it's worth having a go. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think in the comments. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.